everything is exciting, expecting my families and advocating for a cause like I do. Hello Tabby, welcome to Be Active is Easy, a safe place to learn all about the science-backed information and the right ways to get healthier. And today I want to talk about the 5 things I wish somebody told me before I start this business. Let's jump into it. 1. Discipline trumps motivation. And so when you first started, everything is exciting, everything's new, so you love to do this, but after a while you're gonna feel tired, you don't want to keep going. And by having, step-by-step plan, you can instill discipline into your business, and therefore you can grow even further and sustain your business. Number 2, nobody loves your project or business as much as you do. Just be honest, this whole thing is your passion. So, for me, I wouldn't be expecting my families and friends to sort of know the day-to-day operations and, the little things that happen is usually just reserved for myself. But, they might congratulate me on the big wins, but, I can't expect them to know oh, how have I been doing? How's this thing going? To the minute, the detail of what is going on behind the scene. Number 3, never stop reaching out for collaboration. So this one might be contradicting, the previous point that I just made, but it's actually different. So this one, you reach out to people who's already in the business or, very close to you so that you can collaborate and, come up with something new and original. So, personally for me, I went and, guest on a podcast episode. So that person had a brand new podcast episode that she can show her audience, but I also, got my name and what I do out there to even more people. So that's a win-win situation. Number 4, know how to use social media for business. And I am a young person, so obviously I've been using social media since forever, and I sort of know what's going on. But when you're advocating for a cause like I do, it's a little different than your personal account. You have to be more professional. You need to have brand names and everything, and that is something that I didn't know at the beginning. And so I went on and don't have a sort of recognized color, brand color that people associate me with my brand. And lastly, number 5, never turn your whole identity into this project. And so, this, what you're doing is amazing. You're doing what you love. You're going out there, challenging the status quo. But it's going to be hard, and you should separate your personal life apart from your business life, because it's very easy to have an intertwine, and that is very bad for your mental health. And if you're not taking time off, your mental health is worse. Also, you cannot keep showing up energetically for your audience to further your cause. And so that's the last thing I want to give you is separate everything so that you can continue to do what you love. So those are the 5 things I wish somebody told me before I started my business. What do you think about them? Is there anything more that you want to add? Just leave your thought in the comment box down below. Thank you, and bye-bye.